Good morning. We made it home from Utah, and when we got home we had a couple of packages, and one was something that I ordered for me and for Brailee because we want to start doing more videos together. We have some other really fun things planned that we're working on, and so I ordered some makeup brushes and some different palettes, and I wanted to do a little unboxing video in the morning looking like turbo. Brailee's asleep. Brailee. Brailee, she should be up. It's 10:30. Look. She did this. You want to do an unboxing video? Come into my office. It's so messy in here. Okay, biggest reason that I want to do this right now is because I need to run. And yesterday, I super overindulged and ate so much bad food. Didn't run, and I know it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be a rough day of running. So we'll have a little fun and then I'll run. Good morning. Look how gross I am. Smoothie cups. Gross. My office is kind of like put on pause because I just found the most amazing storage unit. I cannot wait to show you guys. Actually, the whole reason that I found it was because of you guys, so thank you very much. I can't wait to show you, and I can't wait for it to get here. Look at this. Look at all of this, Brailee. Are you excited? The very first set of brushes that I ever bought were BH Cosmetics, and I still have some. They're red, the ones that I had. And the first eyeshadow palette, like big palette I bought, was BH Cosmetics. Those little leggies covered in bruises.
I got bit by a bug last night.
Oh yeah, you did. When Brailee gets like a mosquito bite or a bug bite, they get really big. Anyways, when I first started watching YouTube, I loved watching the Fowler sisters, and I watched a video of Blair's, and she did like this ocean eye, and she recommended a palette from BH Cosmetics, and at the time we didn't have a ton of extra money, and I was so surprised when I got on their website and their prices were so fantastic, and so I was able to buy some, and I loved it. I actually just threw the palette away, and that was like 9 years ago. I kept it a little too long. So anyways, I got us a bunch of brushes because I needed some new ones. Brailee definitely needed some new ones, and these were all on sale. So that was a bonus. I also got a few other things just to try out. I think I got us some palette spray. Awesome. Open them. Brailee and I want to start doing like mother-daughter get ready with me and kind of showing different looks that we could do, that a daughter could do, that a mother could do with the same palette. So we'll be sharing a lot of stuff like this. This one is a Carly Bybel, and I have looked at it and I've actually seen a lot of tutorials done with this one. It's beautiful, and they're getting rid of it. So isn't that so pretty? I thought you would love that. You can't even tell how beautiful it is on the camera, but it's so pretty. I thought you would love that one. And then we got this one too. So watch for more tutorials. Just kidding, they won't be tutorials because I'm a cosmetologist, but when I look back at my old Get Ready With Me videos, I cringe pretty hard, but I thought it would be fun to do that with Brailee. Okay, I'm gonna go run now. I got Brailee the rose gold because she loves rose gold. And then I wanted these marble ones. I thought that they were so pretty.
Yeah, they are.
And I think that maybe we'll just keep these ones up here, and or not that one, this one. These ones up here like in a little container, so that we have like these for our personal, and then these can be for our videos.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Maybe. Then we don't have to worry about like using our own. Let us know if you've tried any of these brushes.
Back here.
Cute. If you like these ones better, you can decide which ones you like better.
I like these ones.
You like these ones better?
Yeah, these
okay.
are cute too.
That's a cute case though, and if we're...
I like this one better.
If you want this case, we don't need to keep those in there. So
I like this case.
Oh my gosh, okay, that came with a case. What a great deal. So anyways, yeah, these were all on sale. I don't know if they still are. Definitely worth checking, but they still have really good prices. I will literally, as a mother, never be able to understand how children can mess up a house so fast. My house is such a disaster. But I got done running / walking. I'm feeling really good. I also made some tropical blackened salmon tacos, which were really good, other than my corn tortillas weren't that good. They were kind of gross. And now we're gonna go get Gage a tire for his bike because it's flat, and then maybe go and look at a few more cars. And guess what else? Casey's home. Hey babe.
Babe,
What?
how are we supposed to trade this car in with it full of stuff?
We're not. We're just gonna look today.
Okay.
Maybe we'll test drive some today. We've actually looked at cars before, like a few times, but we haven't test drove anything. So maybe we could just test drive
Yeah,
something.
I guess that's important.
It is. You just know. We felt like we just knew what this car. I really liked this car. So why is my seat back so far? Oh yeah, Brailee was sleeping on my home. How was your trip, hon?
What?
How was your trip?
Excellent, eh? I learned Spanish while I was there.
You did?
It was
He
muy
was
bien.
in New Mexico. No, you
Yeah,
weren't.
somewhere
You were in
like that.
Texas.
Wherever, you
Casey
know.
was in Texas. Where there are rattlesnakes and ticks and what else?
Chiggers.
And Casey got a tick and triggers.
Chiggers, yep.
Bummer.
Yep.
But he also got us some meat, so
Yeah. There's that.
there's that. And we were out of steaks. And if anyone is wondering, we really and truly eat all of the meat. So I was like panicking. Like, oh no, we're out of meat. We did still have hamburgers that we were using, but we just got done test driving some cars. There are a few that we like. I like Suburbans because of the size and that we would have extra room. But they're so big that I'm like a little bit worried about parking in my garage. Honestly, that's one of the biggest things. And just like driving it comfortably. I'm sure it would be fine, and I'm sure I'd get used to it. So we are looking at Suburbans. Also, we drove a Tahoe that isn't extended.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it
and
closed.
we really liked it.
I'll
So
do it
we're just
closed.
trying to decide
And then we'll get.
which one. Right now they're driving my car to see how much we can trade it in
So
for.
that would be the.
And we're just
We need to have something
from traveling.
set up.
I
every Thursday.
planned on like cleaning it out and vacuuming it and cleaning it, but
It's like, it has to be detailed, yeah.
that's what they said about one of the cars we drove, and it was so clean. Anyways, so we'll find out soon, and then maybe we'll know what we're doing. Okay, well, we're done test driving cars. I think that we've decided on the one. I'm pretty sure we're just getting another Traverse. But it's so nice. The back is a little bit bigger. I love the body of it. It's way cheaper than a Tahoe and a Suburban.
And it's a lot nicer.
The kids love it.
I love it though.
I like the size just because I feel comfortable driving that size. So it didn't totally solve our problem, or I mean, it solved our problem for needing more space, more storage room by like this much. But I don't know, it just seems right.
Back. They have the tube and we got a pump. We're back, guys.
That's
we're
fast.
back. Babe, listen.
Our air conditioner needs to be charged, and so it's hot. We don't have an air conditioner.
Listen.
Listening.
You want to hear a story?
Yes.
You do?
Yeah. Do you want to tell it to everyone?
Yeah. It's about you.
What?
It's about you.
What?
Should we tell Mom the story that just happened? So we were,
About me?
Yeah, it was about you. So we were in the store in Dick's, and we were looking through a tube. And before we went in, I looked at Gage's tire so I knew what size of tube to get. So I didn't have to come back out. I thought ahead, is what I'm trying to say. So it was a 20 by 2.0 tube. Well, that's what his tire said. So we go in there, we go to the bike section first thing.
And we're looking, and I find where they have displayed the tubes for tires, bike tubes. That's what we're not trying to do, is fix this bike. So we start going through, there's 4 rows of tubes for your bike. And
I can't remember what I'm trying to tell you.
I got nothing. So we find the tube, and it doesn't say 20 by 2.0, it says 20 by 1.75 to 2.25, which 2.0 falls into that variance, right? What in the world? And then I'm asking about the story or not. Okay, so then I was like, oh, this is it, it's the only one that's even close. And then the guy that worked there was kind of walking by and said, hey man, his tire says 20 by 2.0, and it's all like, fine, this work. And he looked at it a little confused at first, and was like, oh, this guy's doing something. And he goes, yeah, that's work for sure. And I tried to make a little joke with him, I was like, well, if it doesn't, I'm gonna come back and be mad. And then we kind of both laughed like that. Anyway, so we're sort of confused. We go up to said, do you want to get one? I'm like, no, I don't think so. Well, actually, the way she put it, she goes, do you have a phone number and or a card? I said, I have a phone number, and I don't have a card. She said, well, do you want one? I said, no. Anyway, so she rings us up. It's a little more expensive than I thought. I think it came out to be $39 for the pump. We got a pump too because we don't have a pump.
Yeah, 39 bucks. It's a nice pump, like a hand pump. So, she rings up and I'm like, oh, that's not bad. And then I put paid, and she's like, does your wife make YouTube videos? I'm like, yeah. And she's like, oh, cool, yeah, I watched them. I'm like, oh, that's awesome. And then we left.
That's nice.
That was the story.
You forgot something, Dad.
What?
She said, you guys are the cutest couple. Or the cutest family.
What? And she was talking to me and Gage. Me and Gage are the cutest couple. I didn't hear that.
That was really nice. Thanks for watching my videos.
Oh, she's gonna watch this. I'm embarrassed.
I bet that she won't actually listen to your story because that took you 4 minutes.
Did you think it was gonna be something a lot cooler than that?
That's really cool. I just think you could have gotten to the point faster.
You didn't want to hear about the whole experience? How long were we in there?
Not very long at all. Like 10 minutes.
I'm pretty sure that story.
Babe, you're the best.
10 minutes?
5.
5 minutes?
5 minutes.
2 minutes.
We timed it. We were in there for 2 minutes exactly.
Lies. No, you weren't.
I promise. Gage,
I
do
don't
I
think
not
so.
start my timer and then stop it? It was 2 minutes and 2 seconds. I wanted to prove something to you.
What?
I have a lot to prove.
That I'm more popular than you?
I'm saying, anytime I drop you up to go inside, you're like, I'll be really fast. I'll be like, and
I'm never
and I
fast.
know for a fact,
I
no
know
matter
you know
what
that.
you go to do, it's gonna take 30 minutes.
I know you know that. It's
You have kids in a hot car
Well, our car
with
isn't
no air
always hot.
conditioning.
It just started getting
That's
hot.
probably illegal. Even if you're sitting in it, that's probably illegal. If it's not illegal, it's just really bad.
Casey,
form of
look at the
parenting.
time on here.
I'm so see. I was in Dick's for less time than I told the story.
It's true. We also got slushies. I got sugar-free. So I don't even know if
Once
that's
you got
healthy.
green apple.
Yep, green apple. The older kids got ice cream in their slushies. But this is pretty good. I don't know if sugar-free is good for you. I don't know. This looks so good. Thanks for making dinner.
Babe, you're welcome.
And then salad over here. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. Is it good? Huh?
I just want to say this is I've had the opportunity to eat a lot of animals that live on the North American planet. Some are transported in here, but access deer by far is probably some of the best protein you'll ever eat. It's amazing. It's originally from, I think, Germany or like Europe someplace, but they live in Texas.
Oh,
We just took a spill.
you okay? Are you okay?